In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Volleyball Legends on iPad. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to join and play Volleyball Legends on an iPad. Keep in mind that yes, I am not recording this on an iPad, but everything that I say will apply for any model of iPad. I apologize for not recording on an iPad directly, but it is going to be easier for me to record and showcase the process this way. So all that you have to do is open Roblox and use the search function to look for Volleyball Legends. As soon as you type volleyball, it should be the first experience to appear. So just tap on Volleyball Legends, and in here you can browse through the game. You can choose to join a public server, or if you prefer, a private one. I'm going to show a private server because it is easier for me to record, so just go ahead and join. After you join the experience, you will see this screen, so you just tap to start, and now you are ready to play. So you can walk around and explore all of the modes. You can go to abilities or styles to use your spins, and you can get different statistics and different styles. You can see all of the rarities displayed here at the top right. And you can choose to play at any point by tapping the play option in the lobby. You will have to choose a team, so left one red, right one blue, and you can go ahead and join any of these positions. Because I am on a private server, there's no one else here to play with me and I cannot spawn a ball, but if you are on a public server or even a private one with friends, you will see those options. Now you will see all of the controls here. You can dive, you can set, bump, and when you jump, these actions will change. So bump will change to spike, set will also change here in the air, and dive is going to stay the same, or sorry, it is going to change to block. So set stays the same, but dive changes to block. You can enable or disable shift lock by using this button here in the middle of the screen. So as you can see, shift lock is now enabled, but if I turn it off, I can turn my camera all around my character. So super simple to do. You can join on any mobile device, including an iPad, and when you join, you are ready to play. Just tap on play at the bottom of the screen. You will choose any of the positions available in the lobby, and you can start playing right away. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos, so I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.